It's December! The holidays are here, but the wallet said relax. So today we are cooking a true Kenyan classic, beans and ugali. Simple, filling, and it always comes through. Welcome back to Jacinta's kitchen. So we are going to use this sufuria. First things first, we're going to add in our onions, the diced onion. We're going to add in our oil, just enough. We're going to let our onions cook until they give us, of course, our golden color. To add in garlic, that is garlic powder, of course. Personality, very muhimu. What can I say? Now we are going to add in our hoho and grated carrot. Of course, our green flag. I just needed to remind myself. And then we are going to stir and now it's time. We're going to add in our blended tomato. Tomato either ni grated, blended, or whatever, depending on how you like it, it's still okay. And now we're going to let our tomatoes cook. They need to cook very well, so we're going to take some time here. Add in salt, just for taste, muhimu. And of course, I'm a Reco Cube person, so yes, I'm going to use Reco Cube. Na mkiona watu wa Reco Cube mwambie na watafuta huku jamani. Thank you. Time you're going to add in our pre-boiled beans. Yep. Don't mind the camera, the phone was shaking a little bit, but don't mind. Nice. So we're going to add in water. Now it's time we're going to add in our Raycom Choosy mix, yeah, just to make sure that our soup is thicker. Kuna thickest? Nah. And just look at that. Yamani. And now we're going to prepare our ugali. And as usual, I say everyone has their own way of making. How much should they say preparing ugali? I don't know, but in Luya land, you have to make sure that it doesn't stick kwa mkono, ndo utajua imeiva. I don't know, other people prefer soft ugali, others prefer the heavy one, so that when you eat even a 2-piece, it's still okay. But anyway, let's cook our ugali. We're going to use a little bit of Blue Band just to make sure it has that vanilla taste. But whichever, it's still okay. And our ugali is ready. Ready. Oh. Beans and ugali done. Simple food, good vibes, and trust me on this one, it slaps. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 1K. And Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2026. Remember, don't drink and drive. See you. Bye.